Kundiman by Dr. Jose Rizal is a poignant poem that reflects themes of love, longing, and patriotism. It is written in the traditional Filipino love song form known as Kundiman, which often expresses deep emotions and sentiments. The poem begins with a description of a beautiful night under the moonlight, setting a romantic and nostalgic tone. Rizal used vivid imagery to paint a picture of nature's tranquility, enhancing the mood of the poem. However, amidst the serenity of the night, there is an underlying sense of melancholy and yearning. As the poem progresses, Rizal reveals the inner turmoil of the speaker, who is consumed by thoughts of a beloved who is far away. The imagery of the stars and the sea serves as a metaphor for the vast distance separating the speaker from their loved one. Despite this physical distance, the speaker's love remains steadfast and unwavering. Through the poem, Rizal intertwines themes of love for a romantic partner with love for the homeland. The speaker's longing for their beloved is paralleled with their longing for the Philippines, which is described as the Pearl of the Orient Sea. Kundiman captures the bittersweet essence of love and patriotism, evoking a sense of nostalgia, longing, and devotion. Through his poetry, Rizal not only expresses personal emotions but also taps into the collective sentiments of Filipinos yearning from freedom and the homeland. So the poem served as a poignant reminder of the enduring love for the Philippines and the longing for a brighter future.